The Reverse Buyer-Seller Meet RBSM 2026 was inaugurated today at the State Convention Centre to strengthen export opportunities and improve global market access for micro, small and medium enterprises from Meghalaya. The two-day event is being organised by the Department of Commerce and Industries, Government of Meghalaya, in association with the Federation of Indian Export Organizations under the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance or RAMP scheme of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India. The inaugural session was attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister and also Minister of Commerce and Industries Nyabhalang Dhar, Chief Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, senior officials, foreign buyers from 16 countries and local MSMEs. The event features participation from 28 international buyers representing 16 countries and over 100 MSME sellers from across Meghalaya, covering sectors such as agriculture and food processing, handlooms and handicrafts, textiles, bamboo and wood-based products, spices, and herbal and wellness products. The meet will continue on February the 4th, 2026, with structured business meetings between foreign buyers and Meghalaya MSMEs, with organizers expecting it to boost exports and strengthen the state's economic growth. In his remarks, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma described the meet as a significant step for Meghalaya and the Northeast, stressing the need for the initiative to translate into real market linkages and long-term partnerships.
And one more thing, we launch. It comes to at least EU in these aspects. So what I'm trying to tell you is that we as a state, Meghalaya and the country, we are placed in a unique position to be able to take advantage even of these complex situations that are there. We need to create the right ecosystem. It's about the regulations that we need to have as a government. It's about the investments that need to be created by the entrepreneurs and the larger groups. It's about the logistics chains that we require to be able to transfer the products in a very, very efficient manner. It's about scaling the productivity so that an aggregator can come in and be able to provide that export to the buyer at a scale which will make sense for the particular buyer who's buying. And hence, all of this needs to be lined up. So what we're doing today is maybe the first step towards looking at that larger goal that we all should be targeting in the days to come. And again, I repeat myself what I said in the beginning. Yes, it is important to have these buyer-seller meets, but it is important to be practical. Even if we start small, I want that start to be a serious start. I want it to move forward. I don't expect that we will be having a $1 billion deal, MOU signed, and then suddenly everything flops tomorrow and there's not a single sale that is made. I think that will be the most disappointing thing that will happen. I'd rather not sign any MOU and have the sale that's taking place directly. I know a lot of people may not appreciate what I say, but I'm just speaking very straightforward. That does not mean that I'm discouraging you. Please don't think that. Absolutely not. I'm just telling you to be realistic and practical and realize the areas which we need to work on. So therefore, with these thought process in mind, let me also share that Meghalaya has been making a lot of, taking steps forward to create that ecosystem. I use this word a lot because I believe in it a lot. Whether it is ease of doing business, the percentage in terms of the steps that Meghalaya has taken may be one of the highest in the country today. The number of steps that we have taken to deregulate the different regulations that are there or were there in the system, more than 400 if I'm not wrong. 400 different regulations were removed. In Labour Department alone, about 70 regulations were removed. In fact, we were one of the worst in the country, but because of the hard work of the departments that were concerned, we are now today in the top 3 in terms of the number of deregulations being made. We have a unified portal for investors to come in with seamless process where they'll be able to get all the clearances required, which of course every state is doing. But I'm sharing with you because we also are now working and competing with the top performing states today and coming to that level where at one point in time, I must say this, that I would never have thought that a seller-buyer-seller meet of this scale is happening today in our state. I'll tell you, nobody would have expected. But it's not just simply because it's an event. It's happening because we are ready. We have created the foundations. We have laid the foundations. We have created the system. We have created, or rather, we have managed to put the regulation in order. We have promoted entrepreneurs to start production. Scaling is, of course, a challenge for us because it is a challenge everywhere. But I do expect that to happen. So all of these issues are going to be there. But as I said, I do expect that a lot will come out of what we are doing today out here.
VO3. Chief Secretary Government of Meghalaya Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed noted Meghalaya's strength in premium and niche products with a strong focus on quality and sustainability.
Country. So my humble submission to each one of the buyers is that we are into a premium segment, which is niche. We can't be dealing more in bulk because our space constraint and our quality constraint, because we have to maintain quality, and by default, we are far more organic in our agri process and allied processes. So kindly bear with us. You will be positioning us, and I request rather to place us in the premium segment and niche segment, where we would be able to give you sustained quality and high value products as per your demand and requirement. Our Honorable Chief Minister has already declared the state to be a 10 billion economy by 2028 and a 16 billion economy by 2032.